Chapter 4.
Input, process and output. Insight points. In this chapter, you will learn input, output, process, IPO cycle. Thank God, these machines were invented. They save our time. Yes, Mama. Do you know, almost all machines have a common thing in them? Seriously, how is this possible? They all are different. Of course, they are. But they all work on the IPO cycle. Come with me, I will explain in detail. Okay, Mama. A computer is a man-made machine. It works on our commands.
कंप्यूटर एक मानव निर्मित मशीन है। यह हमारे निर्देशों पर काम करता है।
The letters, numbers or any other information we enter into the computer to make it work is called data.
जब हम कंप्यूटर में अक्षर, संख्याएं या कोई अन्य जानकारी डालते हैं, तो उसे डेटा कहा जाता है।
Input. We give data and instructions to the computer. This is called input.
इनपुट वह डेटा और निर्देश होते हैं जो हम कंप्यूटर को देते हैं।
The input devices are used to send information to the computer. Some of the input devices are as follows.
इनपुट डिवाइस का उपयोग जानकारी भेजने के लिए किया जाता है, जैसे कि कीबोर्ड और माउस।
Process. The process of changing the entered data into meaningful information is called processing.
प्रोसेसिंग वह प्रक्रिया है जिसमें कंप्यूटर दिए गए डेटा को उपयोगी जानकारी में बदलता है।
The CPU works on data according to the instructions to give the result. The CPU is also known as the processing device.
CPU इस प्रक्रिया को नियंत्रित करता है।
Output. The processed result or meaningful information that we get from a computer is called output.
प्रोसेस किए गए परिणाम को आउटपुट कहा जाता है।
The output devices allow us to receive information from the computer.
जो हमें आउटपुट डिवाइस के माध्यम से प्राप्त होता है, जैसे कि मॉनिटर या प्रिंटर।
Input. Enter data and commands through input devices. Say, at 25 and 15. Process. CPU works according to the input commands. 25 plus 15. Output. The processed result appears on the output device. 40. Here, 25 and 15 are data and plus is the instruction. The CPU will process the data according to the instructions, i.e., at 25 and 15. Now, 40 is the final result or output of 25 plus 15. IPO cycle. Do you know how to make a chocolate shake? These are the steps involved in making the chocolate shake. 1. Add milk, sugar and chocolate in the mixer. 2. Switch on the mixer. It mixes all the things properly. 3. Pour the chocolate shake in a glass and it is ready. In these steps, milk, sugar and chocolate are known as inputs.
इन चरणों में दूध, चीनी और चॉकलेट को इनपुट कहा जाता है।
When the mixer mixes all the things, it is called processing.
जब मिक्सर इन सभी चीजों को मिलाता है, तो इसे प्रोसेसिंग कहा जाता है।
You get a glass full of chocolate shake which is output.
आपको चॉकलेट शेक से भरा गिलास मिलता है, जो आउटपुट है।
The computer also works in this manner. You give input to the computer. The computer processes it and gives you the output. A computer also works in these three basic steps. Input, process, output. It is known as the IPO cycle, input process output. The IPO cycle is a system that consists of input, output and the steps required to change the input into output. Let us first look at some examples to understand it. 1. The IPO cycle of making ice. Input, water. Process, keep into the freezer. Output, ice. 2. The IPO cycle of washing the dirty clothes. Input, dirty clothes. Process, washing clothes. Output, clean clothes.